Hello lovely family and friends, welcome back to my channel Dovi's Kitchen. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I will share with you how to fry ripened plantain. Some people also call it sweet plantain. I have 4 fingers of plantain here. Let's peel it and cut it into smaller sizes. You can cut it in the peel or on your chopping board. Cut it into any shape of your choice. If you are new to my channel, you are warmly welcome. Please like, share, leave a comment and subscribe. I like cutting it into this shape. Now I'll sprinkle some water on it and toss it so that the water will be evenly distributed. I'll now add a little salt and toss it. I'll use my hand to mix it very well so that it will be well seasoned with the salt. I'm going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes before frying. I have my frying pan on fire. I'll pour in some oil, let it heat before putting my sweet plantains into it. If it's not hot, the plantains will soak oil. If it's too hot too, the outside will cook very fast, but the inside will not be cooked. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'll flip it and allow it to fry for another 2 to 3 minutes or until it is golden brown. It's now ready. Let's remove it. Look at it. So yummy. I've lined my plate with a kitchen towel to soak the oil. I want to thank all my subscribers and returning viewers. Thank you so much for your support. Let's put in the second batch. We are done. Look at how yummy it looks. So delicious. It's so easy to prepare. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.